and welcome to the Customer Voice podcast series. I'm your host, Mala Ramakrishnan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Kuvo. Kuvo is a consumer engagement platform for digital products. We're a machine learning platform. We built to operationalize customer support and transform consumer engagement by giving a chance for users to express themselves live in-app while they're engaging in an experience. With me today, we have Subha Shrinivasan, who's the VP of Customer Success at Rakuten. Welcome, Subha. Would you introduce yourself?
Oh, sure. Thank you, Mala, for having me. So I'm Subha Shrinivasan. I'm the Global Head of Customer Success and Delivery for the Cloud Business Unit of Rakuten Symphony based out of San Jose. And today, it's a pleasure to be sharing my experiences in customer success, delivery, customer experience management with Mala.
Yeah, I'm so excited to have you with us today. So tell us about your experience sitting in the seat that you are at Rakuten, Head of Global Customer Success for the Cloud Business Unit. What can you tell us? How many monthly active users do you have? What's the scale of the challenges that you're addressing on a daily basis? What does it look like for you?
I mean, the scale is something that that I cannot put in words because, we are a company that is laying out massive 5G infrastructures and software for companies across the globe. So we have launched in Tokyo. Now we are rolling out our next network in Germany. And we have some active customers coming up in North America as well. As you can see, the users of the phone or the users or the subscribers are several million customers.
Mm.
And it is the responsibility of the platform and the entire other software pieces to come together to deliver an extraordinary customer experience. You wouldn't like it if you don't get signal at a critical moment or signal at any point in time, right? All of us are so dependent on the mobile device for everything. So our customer experience measurements are extremely stringent. We are measured on every second or every nanosecond availability of the network. And if the network should not function for any reason, then the outages are global headline news. Right? So it's very critical for us to not just build software, but to build software that stays and to bring all of the operations and everything together so that the end customer has an extraordinary customer experience. Because for them to switch from one provider, say for example AT&T, to a Verizon is no big deal.
Yeah,
it takes
so
nothing.
Quick. It's so quick that they can churn.
And the churn is fast. The churn comes like like a tsunami. If there are periods of continuous outages, so you can imagine the pressure. On one end, the technology, the rollout itself is very complex. 5G is a new technology, all right. And on the other hand, we have customers that expect nothing but 24/7 availability. So it's a tough job. It's an extremely challenging
It's challenging, complex, and exciting. And I love your passion for it.
Yes.
Incredible. So what are the top 3 challenges, if you have to summarize, when it comes to customer voice, which you feel is like the tipping point for user engagement?
Yeah. So the number one is that keeping them informed ahead of time. Should we see any issues and giving them predictable fallback measures. Proactive communication and keeping them prepared is one of the most important challenges. And Mala, we were seeing your product demo earlier, and I was amazed at how Kuvo is able to do that at scale. Right? Because you're talking about the reaching 1 million customers and telling them probably there is going to be a problem in your coverage in this particular area. Watch out. Right? To be able to predict and to inform millions of customers is number one challenge. Right? The second one that I personally face as a challenge is to run an operations team that understands the importance of what we have promised to the customer and what the customer expects. Right? So they are also under fire all the time. And for us, the SLAs and the delivery KPIs or the commitments that we make are huge. Like if something goes down, we are on the hook to bring it back within 5 minutes. And usually, typically, it takes an hour to even find out where the problem is. So how do you build such an operations team that can think outside the box, that connects with the customer, understands the customer commitments, and hits it every time on the road?
Got it. Yeah, that's exactly right up our alley in what we're trying to solve at scale.
Exactly. Right. That is the second challenge. The third challenge is keeping up with technology,
Yeah.
right? Because to be able to again drive customer experience, because our competition is always at our back. Who innovates first? Who does it faster, smarter, cheaper is a continuous ongoing challenge. And again, given it is telco and given it's extremely complex, how do you also keep rolling out technology that benefits the user, not just any technology that benefits the user, helps you to keep your competitive advantage and remain number one, right?
Yeah.
So these are our top three challenges.
Fascinating. Yeah, those are exactly the challenges we are trying to help with by automating a lot of these using machine learning algorithms in Kuvu. But tell us more. What are the tools used within your organization that help to transform customer experience? And do you think it's sufficient? How can we contribute?
Um, so Mala, I mean, we are right now, to be very honest, right? I mean, we are looking at tools. So far we have stuck with traditional tools that are available for any CSMs. We have not really chosen and gone with a digital CS platform. And also it has been my choice because when I was looking at the tools 1 year back, not all of them were offering the kind of AI or the machine learning that tools such as yours is
Yeah,
bringing today. A lot of them were kind of digitizing what an Excel was doing or a PowerPoint was doing, but the intelligent component of that was still missing. But now when I look at it and seeing demos of your tool, I think we could largely benefit from the AI and the machine learning intelligence that you're able to bring to us, right? And that is where I think tools such as Kuo really stand out. And we'll be looking at such tools, and I will be personally rolling out digital tools that come with this enrichment and the
absolutely.
intelligence and the insights,
Yeah,
right?
we call it machine learning first, just like we had cloud first and mobile first. Machine learning and AI has reached a point of culmination that you have to reinvent your products if you
Yeah.
really want to deliver for digital transformation. So with that, we actually got accepted into the Stanford StartX as AI series, which is working
Oh,
very closely with Stanford researchers in order to make sure that our algorithms are cutting edge. And we're super excited. We just found out that our company has been accepted. So we
oh,
can actually,
congratulations.
yeah, thank you. So it means we actually can deliver rather than everybody's trying to like put a layer of AI on everything that they already have. Instead, we're really actually building a machine learning platform that's, leveraging LLM, but also many other aspects of AI that have been, there's been deep tech research that's happened for a long time.
That was my problem, Mala. 1 year back when I was looking at the tools. I mean, if I write a fancy Excel, I could do without the digital CS tools myself, right? So I
Right.
was really looking for that. Give me more, give me that intelligence. What I cannot do, sliffling through thousands
Yeah,
and thousands of data and second guessing my own decisions. Just augment me with this kind of intelligence. So I'm definitely looking at tools such as yours to be adopted and to be rolled out into my function.
absolutely. We're here to assist humans, right, as a machine learning
Yeah.
platform because we can process data at scale
Yes.
and much faster. So volume and speed with which we can do it, and the number of errors goes down.
Exactly.
There's
Precision.
right? Precision goes up. There's no downtime, and we can have contextual sensitivity in addition to cultural sensitivity. So finally, AI is there. I was doing AI work in 1999, 2000 as a graduate student at Stanford, and no one wanted to work on it because it is so boring. So the poor immigrant student got a spot at Stanford for that. But now it's so sought after, and we're so thrilled that we're actually able to partner and we can get ourselves there.
And I just want to catch to one beautiful point you said in passing, right? Put AI and ML on top of everything. No, we don't want that.
No,
Put it in context, right?
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So thrilled to talk to you, Shubha. Thank you for your precious time today in speaking with us. I personally really enjoyed having you on our podcast series, and we appreciate your support of Kuvo. Thank you.
So thank you, Mala. And I wish you and the Kuva team a great success. And I really believe you guys are on the right track. Your understanding of the pain point seems spot on.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Really
Good luck.
appreciate it. Thank you.